Yo, yo, what's good, yo? We back at it. Today's gonna be a winning day, man. Simple as that. So, not really looking at NQ or ES right now because those are just ridiculously like they're at all-time highs. And it's gonna be hard to trade strat like mine at all-time highs. Well, never mind. They're not at all-time highs anymore. Wow. Okay. So now we're nuking. We were at all-time highs, but now we're nuking. Okay. If we're gonna be bearish, I definitely prefer YM. YM's been bearish all night. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove these volume profile levels. These are old. Go on a clean slate. 6 p.m. to 9:30. Let's do yesterday's as well. 3:59. Perfect. Okay. So we're about to tap yesterday's point of control. We actually look like we're trying to reject it. We're most likely going to get back up to the point of control at the exact level, though. It's typically what happens. So this is really a good confluence here because let me turn off extend right. Okay. Now I have a better idea of what's really going on here. So yeah, we're nowhere near. We are somewhat close to yesterday's point of control. Not quite there yet. And then let's take a look at today's developing profile as well. Okay. So we did overshoot the value area low from overnight, but we didn't quite get to the point of control from yesterday. So the point of control is just the highest area of volume. Yesterday's the overnight point of control is all the way at the top. Not sure if we're bearish or bullish just yet, so I'm not going to be able to take any entries. Yes. Let's turn off extend right. And this at 9:30 or 3:59. So we bounced off value area low for ES. So most likely the same thing is going to happen on the YM. Yep. So what we can do is we can try to take shorts here into today's value area low. If we can get back up there, I need one contract, maybe two. Stop loss above today's highs. We most likely won't get that. But if we do retest the value area high, I'm more than happy to get in. I mean, value area low from overnight. I'm more than happy to get in there. It's a very, very good level. If we can get a retest, that would be awesome. Let's check MES. 9:59 right now. Let's check and see what levels. Yeah, YM looks like it's gonna be gone already. First play gone. Check and see what this is retesting. This might be an entry. Let me get rid of these levels here. Make things a little cleaner. 6 p.m. to 9:30. Yep, that just overshot the overnight point of control a little bit. Check and see what where yesterday's levels are at. Heading back up here. Okay. Yeah, so we bounced off of yesterday's POC, which tells me this could be a reversal setting up, but I'm not exactly confident in that just yet. Yeah, YM is gone. Back straight to TP. Yeah, no entry on YM, no pullbacks, unfortunately. Once we swipe that level, I don't like to trade anymore. So liquidity's already swiped. This for me is screaming reversal because of the bounce off of yesterday's point of control. So I really like the longs here, honestly, but it just looks bearish. Does look bearish. Intraday it looks bearish. Let me check the volume profile intraday. See where majority of the volume was. Yeah, this is the value area low here. He could rip through the value area, the point of control yesterday. Yeah, this looks a bit too bearish for me to be taking longs right now. Does look good though. Does look good. Say that. This is also a double confluence at value area low for overnight session as well. I think I might have to take a stab at it. Tight stop. We'll wait for the closure above the level. After we break it. And then I'll put the stop loss at the low if we do bounce. This is just a falling knife. I don't want to try to catch a falling knife. Yeah. Screw that. Looks like a freaking news candle. I ain't taking longs in that market. Yeah, hell nah. Hell nah. This is insane. Momentum to the downside, way too strong. If we can get some kind of retest, we can get some kind of retest for the value area low, that would be nice. Let's see where most of the volume is at. Send right above point of control. Yeah, nothing is really setting up. Like lots of movement, lots of price action to trade, but just no setups. Nothing that's low risk. We're so far away from every level. We're so far away from every single level now. Wow. Yeah. Might have to wait till later in the session. Damn. Yeah. No retest. Can't even get an entry, coach. This is insane. Literally no retest. Just nuking on everything. Gold nuking too with the markets. The hell did Trump do today? I had it up there too, didn't take it. Just low volume down there. Yeah, we're gonna head to value area low. Screw gold. I ain't trading that. Yeah, I ain't trying to get caught chasing the puts, man. Yep. No one knows how far this retest is gonna go. Yesterday's value area low, maybe. Problem is if I give that a shot, there's nowhere to really put the stop. Like I wouldn't mind getting in there, but there's no stop loss. It's kind of just hope I don't get stopped out type of thing. Which I really don't want to do. Check if ES has any better. ES is even further away. I don't like how this thing is pumping. Yeah, screw that. What are we bouncing off of? Oh no, this is not even the right levels. Hold on, I need to get this to not extend right. Okay, there we go. Stop is way too wide. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and sell here. That is off the value area low. That's too heavy, way too heavy. Hold up. MNQ. There we go. I really like the short entry here because obviously it's below the value area low yesterday. Should be good. Value area low retest. Let's see what the intraday session is telling me. Make sure that all the confluences are there. Yep. Yep. All the confluences are there for sure. That is the point of control. We're below the point of control. Shouldn't be a reason why we don't nuke. Shouldn't be a reason why we don't nuke. We did overshoot the level a little bit, but nothing to be worried about. You know, we overshot the level a little bit, but definitely still look good. Go back in the 5 minute chart. Looks easier to look at. Damn. Well, that would freaking suck. If we get reversed on here, that would be so ass. It's about to be 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock candles coming in 8 seconds. Oh, oh, that didn't look good. It made a new low though. Normally that fake out is a good sign for the downside. Damn. Uh-oh. Damn. That's tough. That's tough. 10 o'clock screwed us, or are we still chilling? Damn, bro. Hopefully we reject hard. Damn. Yeah, doesn't look good. It's rejecting the nukes. Might be another losing day for me, man. Looks real good, especially on that candle closure. I was not expecting this. Yeah, it is what it is, man. You gotta take it to the chin again. That is insane. Take it to the chin again. I was up a good amount in this trade too. About 500 something. Wow. Yeah. Good confluence trade. It is what it is, man. I'm gonna take my L and head out. Peace out, Joe.